Never drive fast where you cannot see. So on this turn, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to ride the inside of this lane, and we're going to take it nice and slow. If you can't see where you're going, don't rush to it. Okay, here we go. Alright, looks like we're going to get a little skinny up here. That's okay. We're going to stay calm, ride our own ride. If we're not comfortable, we don't go. That's it. It's that simple. We don't force ourselves to do anything we're not prepared to do. Alright, we're going to drop down to first. There we go. Right level of engagement, correct speed. Alright, we can go back up to second. We're just going to cruise. We're just going to cruise. We're already going faster. We don't need to rush.